My name is Nicole, and that I've been eating plant-based for 15 years. And I've never felt so good. I eat a high raw diet, which means I eat lots of fruits, vegetables, nuts, seed, potatoes, sweet potatoes, and greens. Y'all need to try this, you'll feel so good.
Hey guys, you need to come and check out my High Rock community. We've been growing and I love what's happening inside this space. This community is truly becoming a place of accountability, support, and real connection. Members have shared that they feel called to be here, that the accountability helps them stay consistent, and that it feels like a safe, judgment-free space to share meals, ideas, and their journey. We encourage each other, we stay on track together, and show up, even on the days it's not perfect. Inside the community, you'll get daily accountability and support, members sharing meals, recipes, and wins, a safe space for vegan/vegetarian/plant-based lifestyles, 2 to 3 live calls each month, connecting face-to-face, cooking and uncooking together, raw, high raw, and fitness challenges to keep you motivated. And for our bigger challenges, winners will receive my 4-week meal plan to help take things to the next level. If you've been looking for a space to stay consistent, feel supported, and grow on your journey, this is it. Come join us. We'd love to have you. You don't need to be fully plant-based and you don't need to be perfect, honey. Come as you are. So come check us out. We'd love to have you. God bless you. Bye.